Please all participants confirm. Are you hearing me? Only one participant have replied. Abid Hussain. Okay. Anyone want to share screen? I have allowed. If anyone want to share screen so that I can perform today task on your screen. Okay. Thank you, Hamid Khan. Okay. No, please open our studio. Please open our studio. Okay. All participants, please open our studio and type down within Zoom chat so that I can start today class. Okay. Now please give heading about today task. T-test in R. Give heading how to perform t-test in R. Yes, line number 87 with hashtag in line number 87 with hashtag how to perform. Please give hashtag how to perform t-test in R. In our last class, we have done working on descriptive statistics. So today we will work in t-test. Now, when you want to perform any statistical analysis in R, few questions should be arised in your mind. Question number one, what is t-test? So please type question number one, what is t-test? All participants, please type this question in screen number one. What is t-test? Question mark. Second question, why do we perform t-test? Why do we perform t-test? Question number three, types of t-test. Types of t-test. And last question, how to arrange data set for each type of t-test. How to arrange data set for each type of t-test. Okay. Please all participants type these questions and Dr. Hamid Khan, please copy these questions and share within Zoom chat so that other participants can also use these questions and share in Zoom chat. Okay. Now copy first three questions. Select first three question and copy. First three question. Now, how to perform a t-test in R is a heading or title of today class. So don't consider it question. What is t-test? So correct spelling. for what? WHAT. But yes, copy these three questions. Open ChatGPT and send this question to ChatGPT. So here are the answer of these three questions. Now move to question number one. Question number one show that answer. A t-test is a statistical test used to determine if there is a significant difference between the mean of two groups. So two group is very important point. It's based on mean of two group. Or if a sample mean different from a known value or hypothesized value. One group or two group. Mean of one or two group, not more than two group. For example, if you have three group in your data set, treatment 1, treatment 2, treatment 3. No, you have three different groups in your data. You can't apply or you unable to apply t-test data set having three groups, data set having four groups. So t-test is only for data which have only two groups or less than two groups. It is commonly used when the sample size is small, typically less than 30, and when the population variance is known. The t-test assumes that the data follow a normal distributions and data should be normally distributed. So important point is you can compare the mean of only two groups by using t-test. No, next question is why do we perform a t-test? What is the purpose of the t-test? Number one, compare mean. We can compare mean of different of two or less than two groups. We can check hypothesis. We can check small sample size. We can check determine statistically significance. Your data is significant or not significant. Your results are significant or not significant. You can use t-test. Now, next question is type of t-test. So there are three types of t-test. One sample t-test, independent two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. One sample t-test means you have only one sample. For example, you are working the age of different peoples. No, you have a group one is age. So age is a group, and you have age of 20 peoples. So here is a list of 20 people age. And you want to compare it with known values, average value of age. For example, here is the age is 30, 20, 60, 75. These are the ages of any city or any area. This is a single group, age. Now we want to compare this age with already published values, already average of this nation of this area. For example, average age for human is 60 years. So when we want to compare this average age with this average age, because we only have one sample and want to compare it with already available second sample, which is already published in book or newspaper or any other source. So this type of test is known as one sample t-test. Here is also its definition with example. T-test compares the mean of a single sample to a known value. So 60 age is the average age, and all participants have idea about this and already published in books or literature. So it's known as a known values. It's used when you want to determine if a sample mean is significantly different from a specific values. For example, testing if the average height of the student in a class is different from the national average height. For example, if students are in Pakistan, so what is the average nation height for Pakistanis, or what is the average nation height for Chinese, or what is the average nation height for any other country people. So if you have this type of data set, you can apply one sample t-test. Independent two sample t-test. If you have two groups, this test compare the mean of two independent groups to determine if there is a statistically significant difference between them. Comparing the test score of male and female students. Now have two group, male group and female group. Pair t-test. This test is used when the data consists of pair of related or matched sample. For example, you have a data set, you have measured some temperature or sugar level, or uh, you can say blood pressure. For example, blood pressure before treatment, before treatment, and blood pressure after treatment. Now you also have two groups. Now you want to compare blood pressure before treatment and after treatment. If you have this type of data set, you can apply pair t-test on your data set. No, we want to check a sample data set for each type of t-test. Now write a message. Thanks. No, please write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. No, I want to. No, I need. Sample data table for each type of t-test. Now come to first table. Yes, one sample t-test. You have only one sample student, student 1, student 2, student 3, and you have 10 replicate for students. Exam score, and you want to compare it with 75, which is average uh, population mean. Now come to second data. Independent two sample t-test. Now you have scroll down. Please show me data. No. Please come to second data. It's third data. Yes, independent two sample t-test. No, there are two groups, school A and school B. We want to compare the student of school A with student of school B. So if you have this type of data set, you can apply independent two sample t-test. If you have only one school data set, school A and their students, and want to compare with average, then it will be one sample t-test. Okay. Now come to last step. Paired t-test. Now you can check you have data set results before tutoring and after tutoring, before teaching and after teaching. So if you have data set like this, before and after, then paired t-test will be applicable. Now please write a message to ChatGPT again. No, please write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. No, I need sample data table in Excel sheet. And send this message to ChatGPT. Yes, click on this file, download, and open this file after downloading. Now you have three sheets in your data set. One is for one sample t-test, second sheet is for independent, two sample t-test, and third sheet is pair t-test. Now you have data set in the three files. Okay. Now please share this file within group so that all other participants can download and use it. You can also share within Zoom chat. Hamid Khan, your mic is open.
Yes, here no.
All participants, please download this file and import this file in R and type done within Zoom chat. All participants please import this file in R and type done within Zoom chat. If you have an issue to import file, please let me know. I will share your screen and assist you. If you have done, type done so that I can move to next step. Okay. Now next step is we want to perform all type of t-test in this data set. Now we have, if you click on this file, if you click on this file, it's a first sheet. This data set is for one sample t-test because we only have one sample, one group, class A, and we have 10 replicate or 10 students from class A. And we want to compare it with already published or known values like 75% score. So open script file, take its str, take str, str, type your file name, and run. Okay. Now copy this str. Please copy str results. Also include str. Please also include above line str sample t-test. Yes. Copy. Open ChatGPT and paste here and write a message. I want to perform one sample t-test in R and also want to visualize known value is 75. You can change known value 80 or any other which is original known value for in your case. So in this example, the known value 75, you can change 70, 75 or any other. Okay, now send this message to ChatGPT. Okay, now copy the script. If you read first line of the script, to perform an please come to first script, first line of the script. It's not a first line. Scroll up. Yes, from this line number 79 is the first line of this data set. So here is the sample data, but we already have data set in screen number 3. So we don't need to run this line because it's a sample data. It's not our data set. So you can delete line number 98 to 102 because it is a sample data. It's not our data set. Okay. Now we already have this data set sample t-test data in screen number 3. So here is the script and here is the exam score. mu equal 75. It's mean mu mean this is the already published mean or average score. Now run this line for t-test, line number 99. It's showing you an error. X is null. Additional warning message unknown or uninitiated column exam score in mean dot default argument is not numeric or logical, returning NA. Now click on your data. Here is the exam score. Name of this column is exam score, but in script you can check exam underscore score. Now open script, check here. Here is the exact name is, the exact name of this variable is exam score, but in ChatGPT have given you exam underscore score. You can check in line number 99, data exam underscore score. So we need to edit this script again. So copy this error or take str, take str again, scroll up, please take str again. Str is the above is the code for str. First script, or you can type new str code. Yes, run this line. No, copy this str again. Copy str, open ChatGPT. Paste here and send message. Don't need to write anything. Paste here and send message. Now again, ChatGPT have given you a sample script. Write a message and please use file name instead of sample data. Because ChatGPT giving you a sample data, write a message, please use file name instead of sample data. Okay, send this message. No check. Yes, no, okay. Copy this code. Please copy this code. Open R. Paste here in line number 114. Okay, no, first you need to read. It's showing you you need a package name library, tidyverse and read Excel. So run these lines. Okay. 116. Okay, now come to line number 119. It's showing you file path. Now ChatGPT have changed the name of your file and give you an path where you can pick your file directly. But we already have file in screen number 3. So we just change the name of this file. So remove path to your file, not remove file name. Not remove complete, please. Just remove file to, you have removed complete line, path to your file. Just remove these forward, path to your file. No, please. Press Ctrl Z. After, please listen carefully. Uh, Come to line number
Yes, sir.
119. Just remove. Yes,
Yeah.
no, no, okay. Also remove slash before sample.
Is it okay now?
Yes, no, okay. Run this line. No, your file name have been changed from your sample to file path. No, run line number 112. Next line for t-test. Print results. Print results and visualize also. Okay. Now it's a box plot. Copy and share within group. If you want to create a bar plot or line plot, open ChatGPT again and write a message. Open ChatGPT again and write a message. I want to create bar graph or histogram. Anyone which you want to create, you can give your file plot name to ChatGPT. Please write in ChatGPT, not in WhatsApp group. Please write this message to ChatGPT.
Is it okay now, sir?
Your WhatsApp group is, yes. Okay, no sent. Okay, no, just copy script for graph. You already have run above script. Just change script for graph.
Should I copy and paste in the R Studio?
Yes, copy. Open R.
Does it start from here?
Yes.
Which line is starting?
You can just run graph only. Scroll down. Just script for graph only. Line number 1, 5, I think 5.
163?
No, 155.
This one.
No, please run all this. Ignore line number 143 and run all up below lines. Line number 158, 155,
I start from 145 or
155,
oh,
157, 164. Okay. Now come to screen number 3. No, please, all participant come to screen number 3. Clean it with brush button. Please, all participant clean this with brush button. Screen number 3. Clean screen number 3 with brush button. Okay, now click on import dataset. Import dataset. Please, Hamid
an
Khan.
Excel?
Yes. No, you need
Yeah.
to come on change sheet. First browse and select file.
Yeah.
Select file. After selection, it will show you
Yeah.
preview and wait. Select this file and show me its preview.
Which one to be selected? This
Last
one?
one is sample t.test data.
Yeah. Open.
Click open and wait. It will show you 3 sheets in this data. We have done work on first sheet. No, it's a sheet number 1. Now we want to perform work on second sheet. So come to sheet option at the bottom of yes sheet. There is sheet button. Click on it. Default is first one sheet. No, we have done on one sample t-test. No, click on independent two sample t-test. Click. it will show you preview for independent two sample t-test. Yes. And now click on import, take its str and perform t-test for independent two sample t-test. Similarly, you need to, after performing this analysis, you need to import sample data for paired sample t-test. Select file for paired sample t-test, select sheet for paired sample t-test, import into R, take str and provide to ChatGPT. I want to perform paired sample t-test and visualize. Okay. Now please all participants do practice, and in our next class we will work on ANOVA. So make sure before next class you have done practice. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Okay, Adnan, kindly open your mic. अदनान साहब माइक ओपन
यस सर।
कीजिएगा। सर क्या इशू आ रहा है आपके पास?
यस सर। सर एरर आ रहा था, आई थिंक फाइल का नेम जो है ना उसने चेंज कर दिया था, तो उससे मैं आपको शो करता हूँ,
जी शो कीजिएगा।
स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ।
सॉल्व हो गया इशू के नहीं?
नहीं नहीं, मैं एस टी आर लेके वो, क्योंकि आपने वो स्क्रीन 3 जो है ना इरेज करा दी है,
ठीक है।
तो
अच्छा,
एक
यहाँ
लॉस
पे
किया,
आप ये
उसको दोबारा
देखें,
रन कर लूंगा।
बिल्कुल आपके पास कहाँ पे एरर आया है?
ये एरर, एक मिनट, यहाँ से अब आ गया।
अच्छा,
सॉरी। ठीक है
चलो
सर,
ठीक
थैंक
है,
यू।
ओके।
वो उसने चेंज कर दिया था ना काफी फाइल, फाइल नेम।
चलो ठीक हो
थैंक यू
गया, ओके।
सर।